Yo, yo, yo! What is up, ladies and gentlemen? Good morning. For me, at least, I fucking slept all day today, bruh. Hey, Fluff. You go fucking have some diarrhea. Oh.
Shitballs. God damn it. Oh, dude, there's so many people here. What the fuck?
Did you not have friends to go spend the night with when you were younger?
Not at your age, nope.
What? Like edible chocolate and shit, that shit gets you so fucking hard.
That's good.
For real, dude.
You can also get a job there, bro.
Oh, come on, man.